In this video, I'll make a short video about how you can start dropshipping on Shopify. Now what you should do is go to your Shopify and click on Add Apps, and we want to add a dropshipping app. So go to the Shopify App Store. Once you're in here, I suggest SendDrop because that's the one I know the most, but there are others that you can use. Simply select this one, and I believe they run a free trial right now, and it's also free to install. And I'm not affiliated with these guys, but this is just the most known one for me. So you want to install this one, and then I suggest you watch the SendDrop video just to quickly understand how everything works. But basically what this SendDrop does is it will make it easy for you to dropship. So they have all the products, and it will be automated fulfillment. So you don't have to fulfill anything, it will do it automatically. And they will have many products that you can easily use. Also print and demand options. It will be fast shipping, and as you can see, you can also do custom branding on this. So like I said, find the SendDrop, watch some videos about how SendDrop works, and then you'll be ready to start dropshipping. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.